Ledger Nano S, OS, and firmware update. Now we need to do this OS and firmware update in order to get the ledger working with ZCash, Dogecoin, and Dash. In order to do this, we're going to have to download the Ledger Manager. So I'm going to click on Ledger Manager from the app section on the ledgerwallet.com website. We're going to be using Ledger Manager to install or remove apps such as ones to use ZCash on our Ledger Nano S. It's an easy installation, just like the wallets. So I'm going to click on Get the App and then Install. This will take me to the chrome.google.com website, and I'm going to click on Add to Chrome. Now it's installed, so I'll click on Ledger Manager from my apps. That will open up Ledger Manager. Now make sure that you have your Nano S connected to your computer through the USB. In the Ledger Manager, we can see that there's Bitcoin, Ethereum, FIDO, U2F, and Litecoin. We want to add ZCash, Dogecoin, and Dash, so we're going to have to update the OS and firmware. I'm going to minimize the browser and get rid of Chrome. Then I'm going to click on Firmwares. In Firmwares, there are two options, OSU and Firmware. It says, this update adds a new shuffle pin option as well as plausible deniability features. Updating your firmware will erase your applications and device configuration. Your recovery phrase is required to restore your accounts after the upgrade. Do not proceed without it. Installation. 1. Install the OS Updater by clicking on OSU button. A manual confirmation will be prompted on your device. 2. Update the firmware using the Firmware button. Your device will automatically reboot once finished. I'll go ahead and click on OSU to start the operating system update. Your Ledger Nano will start processing the update. It will ask you to update the firmware, so you can click on the button on top of the check mark. Now the operating system update is complete, and you can see there are new apps available in the Ledger Manager. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the actual firmware update. Your device should change from update to processing, and once it's finished, it will reboot itself. Once it reboots itself, you're going to have to enter your PIN number in again, and then enter in your passphrase keys. So that's finished. It's installed the firmware on the device. We can see the Ledger logo on the ledger. Now I'm going to enter my PIN number and then enter my key passphrases. Once I've done that and confirmed that, it will again connect to the Ledger Manager. And now I can go ahead and reinstall all of the applications. So I'm going to start by installing the Bitcoin application. I'll click on the download link there. The Ledger will prompt me to allow Ledger Manager app, so I'm going to say yes. Click on the check mark. This will install the Bitcoin application on my Ledger. There we go. We can see it's installed. We can see the B in Bitcoin on the Ledger Nano. I'll go ahead and install Ethereum. Now Ethereum is installed on the device. We can see the little Ethereum logo. I'll go ahead and install Litecoin. Now you don't have to install all the apps. You can remove apps that you don't want also. I'm just going to install them all just in case if I do want to use them. Litecoin is now installed on the device. You can see Litecoin. I'll go ahead and install Dogecoin. Dogecoin is now installed on the Nano S. We can see the D. There it is, Dogecoin. Now I'll install the Fido app. Even though I probably won't use it, I will just put it on my Nano S just in case. Now it's installed. It's on the Nano S. I'll scroll down and I'll install the Dash app. Click on the plus sign to install the Dash app. Now Dash is installed on the Nano S. There it is, Dash. And last, I will go and install ZCash. ZCash is now installed on my Nano S. There it is, Z and ZCash. So all of the apps are now installed. I can close the Ledger Manager and open my Bitcoin wallet. I'm going to check my ZCash wallet in the Ledger Wallet Bitcoin. So I'm going to double click by holding down both of the buttons on my Ledger Nano S while on the ZCash logo. Now it says Z, use wallet to view accounts, and it opens up my ZCash wallet. You can see my ZCash balance is still 0. It won't be for long, but it's 0 right now as it's a new wallet. I can click on send ZCash. I can click on receive, which will show me my address and QR code in order to receive ZCash. Now it's very easy to change the wallet. You can leave the Bitcoin wallet open and just change your wallet on your device. So I've gone ahead and selected Dogecoin. You can see the D, use wallet to view accounts. My Ledger Wallet Bitcoin is synchronizing with Dogecoin. Now my Dogecoin wallet is open. You can see the balance is 0 Doge. I can click on send in order to send Dogecoin if I had some. I can click on receive to check my QR code and address for receiving Dogecoin. I'm going to change my Ledger Nano S to Dash and open the Dash wallet. So I'll select Dash, hold down both buttons. Now it says D-Dash, use wallet to view accounts. It's synchronizing my wallet. Your wallet is synchronizing. Now my Dash wallet is open. You can see the balance is 0 Dash. I can click on send. If I had some Dash, I could send it. Click on receive. It'll show me my QR code and Dash address for receiving Dash. And now I'll go and change my Nano S to Litecoin. And we can take a look at the last wallet that we have not seen yet. So I'll select Litecoin. Now it says use wallet to view accounts. And the Ledger Wallet Bitcoin is synchronizing. Your wallet is synchronizing. My Litecoin wallet is open and you can see my balance is 0 LTC. If I had some LTC, I could click on send and send it to somebody or somewhere. I can click on receive and see my QR code and address. Now a little bit of time has passed and I've sent myself some Ethereum, so I'm going to open my Ledger Wallet Ethereum and check if it's in there. Click on ETH. And surely enough, I have 2.49 ETH in my wallet, so I can go ahead and send more ETH into my wallet now. I'll go ahead and check my Bitcoin wallet and ZCash wallet, as I sent some Bitcoin and ZCash to my Ledger Nano S also. So I'll quit Ethereum, go to Bitcoin, and open my Bitcoin wallet. Now my wallet's open, and yep, 0.0244 BTC in my account. So that worked. I can go ahead and send more BTC to my Ledger Nano S. Now I'll go ahead and open my ZCash wallet. That actually took a couple seconds to update there, but I do have 0.2394 ZEC in my wallet, so that also worked, and I can go ahead and send more Zcash into my Nano S. So that's it. You should be good to go on using your Ledger Nano. If you don't have one, get one. I highly recommend them. I love my Ledger Nano S. I hope you liked this video. I hope it helped, and thanks for watching.